The majority of Americans aren't convinced that the way forward with transportation is electric. However, Chevrolet have completely different ideas with this. This is the new Chevy Equinox EV. They think they have range, price, and the charging infrastructure worked out. Are they right? Later this year, the Chevy Equinox will be available in a trim level that, after the federal tax credit is applied, could be obtained for around $28,000. But as the world shifts gears towards electric vehicles, Chevrolet is not just participating, it's aiming to lead with its all-electric Equinox. Now, Chevrolet is saying this isn't just an SUV, it's a Chevrolet SUV, so it's going to be easy on the wallet, and they hope easy on the environment as well. Chad Bulge is from Chevy.
Chevy has hit all three of the biggest reasons to not buy an electric car, hit it out of the park here, solving those for customers with the Equinox EV. It is America's most affordable electric vehicle with more than 315 miles of range.
With an EPA estimated range of 319 miles on the front-wheel drive model, Chevy is hoping range anxiety becomes a thing of the past. Now inside, this is fairly roomy and tech-savvy. And of course, cozy, because there are heated seats all around. The Equinox EV is not only about comfort, it's packed with technology, like a 17.7-inch infotainment screen and Google integration. Now also, for those people that dread parallel parking, this vehicle actually has automated driving aids. And not just for parallel parking, but automated driving aids all around. Super Cruise technology allows hands-free driving on compatible roads, a feature once reserved for luxury cars. But with sleek lines and a very powerful stance, this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox EV definitely looks the part. But it's not all about looks. The base model starts at just under $35,000, making it a competitive option in the EV space. Now, charging is pretty swift too. You can add about 77 miles in just 10 minutes of fast charging. Chevrolet is determined to make the EV experience seamless, with over 174,000 public chargers accessible through their app. Now, it does have all the ingredients: functionality, style, and affordability. I've seen cars come to market that don't have one of those, and they tend to fail. How will it do against its rivals? Well, time will tell. But if Chevy's track record has anything to do with it, this vehicle will probably be a huge success. Yet amidst the growing competition, some wonder if Chevrolet can truly claim the top spot in the EV market. And of course, Super Cruise, which means hands-free driving. As Chevrolet drives forward with its electric version of the Equinox, it stands out as a symbol of the brand's ambitious plans. Now, for car lovers and environmentalists, this is definitely a car that you want to stick on your shopping list, or at least your test drive list later this year. In Detroit, Michigan, I'm Nick Miles.